These tools are used to weld plastics, form, heat shrink, dry, and heat different products, each with different characteristics. The first hot air blower is in fact the basis of the instruments for shrinking is a model with an electric power supply of 22,000 and an adjustable temperature from 60 to 650 degrees. FPR and FPRIN are similar thermo-shrinkers. Both have an adjustable temperature from 20 to 650 degrees, but with different powers. So much so that FPRIN has an absorption of 1600 W, has an ergonomic handle against fatigue, while FPR has a power of 3,400 W. Unlike the previous Raphael, is a gas shrinker suitable for polyethylene. The terminal has a 360 rotation to allow use in every position. Of this, two models are available, Raphael 40 as in this case, and 65 that are distinguished by different powers. Strong S3 is another electrical appliance suitable for shrinking caps and polyethylene film. Despite its size can be comfortably used in small spaces. Has a power of 10 kilowatts, also a maximum temperature of 650 degrees and a power supply of 380. Difference of 230 or 220 of the previous models.